Hello guys, welcome to our Expertiza project. Our project involved improvements to the review grader, and I'm going to walk you through the changes that we have done throughout this project. I log in to Expertiza as an instructor, and to go to the view I go to assignments in manage. This page indexes all the assignments that the instructor has access to. As you can see, all the assignments have been displayed on the screen, and I go to this icon here to see the review reports for this assignment. I'm going to go ahead and click it. This report view shows the reviewer and the reviewees for that reviewer. It also involves a matrix column which shows the average volume of words written by the reviewer, and if there have been more than one reviews, then it will show the break, uh, that is the words for each of the reviews, and it shows this the number of reviews done as well. Also, the last column in this view shows the grades assigned to the reviewer for reviewing the assignments. Two changes were required of the view there that we are going to see. The first required the matrix column to have a graph, a bar chart, which compares the student to other students, and so that the instructor has a better view of how the student has compared to other students. So as you can see, the matrix column over here involves a bar chart now. Uh, it shows the volume of words for round 1 and round 2, and the average that this particular student has scored, and a global average, which is the average of all the students. The second change were to the color of team reviewed. So there are three colors involved in this view. One is blue, one is red, and one is green. So as you can see right at the end, it shows red indicates that the review has not been completed, so the reviewer should not be given marks. A blue color indicates that the review grader has not been assigned a grade yet, but he has updated or given a review. And brown is the one where the grade has already been assigned. So a third color, as you can see here, green, needed to be assigned to the reviewee team. So that color is assigned when the reviewee team uh, has not updated their links, uh, and so the reviewer had nothing to review, and in that case the reviewer's grade should not be affected just because he has nothing new to review. So if there's a team, here there's team 16, for the three reviews, they have never updated their submission between review 2 and review 3. So in that case, the text for that team lights up to green, and when the instructor is giving a grade, he should consider not cutting marks for student for not giving a review. So it doesn't matter if the student has given a review or not. This instructor will know that for this particular team, there were no new updates to the submission links, and so that he can give an appropriate grade to the student. The third change that was needed of the project was in the summary of reviews. So if we go ahead and click the summary, it shows a table of the reviews uh, done for each round. So some changes involved, like this question was spanning only till the first column, so we changed it to span to all three. Also, this comments column was a very small column, and a lot of space was given to reviewee column. So we changed the width of this comments column. Over that, problems arise when there were questions which did not have comments required. For example, if there's a checkbox question, uh, a checkbox question is a question where you need to just tick saying yes or no for a particular question. So in those questions, there's no need of comments to exist, and this column used to be empty, and a score of 1 or 0 was given if the question was if the particular feature was implemented or not. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into a pop-up which has those kind of questions. So this writing assignment 1B has those kind of checkbox questions. So if I go scroll down here, and I can see these kind of questions. So is the article up to date is a yes or no question, so it needs a checkbox. So we changed the view accordingly. So if we spot a question which is a checkbox question, then those questions will be represented in a review like this, and they'll be, so instead of showing 1 or 0, they'll have a tick or cross correspondingly. I'm gonna go jump into a code and show you where we have made those changes. So our changes mainly were done in 3 files: review report.html.erb. This is the file where we have added the bar chart. As you can see, this is the bar charts code. The second change that was done was in the pop-up, and so we check if the question type is a checkbox. If it is, then if it's not, then we go show the normal view that used to exist. If it is a checkbox type question, then we show the check icon or the delete icon. And the third change that we made were to see if the color scheme of the reviewee team. So currently we are checking if the links included were wiki links. Other kind of links are YouTube links or GitHub links. So we did not add a check for that, but it can be easily implemented using some API calls. So if it's a wiki link, then we check if the date it was modified is less than the previous due date of the assignment, and if it's not been updated after that, then we go ahead and display him as green. So this is the function that we call, and we show the text as green. So thanks for having a look at our project, and that's it. Thank you.